asking you nicely. Give me my money! Give me my money back now, you!
Sammy, what's going on? Are you yelling at the piggy bank?
Yes, I am. I accidentally threw some extra money inside. I wanted to buy an ice cream for myself, and you, of course. But this greedy thing took everything and doesn't want to give it back!
Well, Sammy, there's only one sure way to get your savings out.
No! What are you doing, Sue? It's so beautiful. It's my favorite piggy bank. I won't let her do it to you, my precious. I promise.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm going to help you make a piggy bank giver. Let's go! Hi guys, today we're going to make an ATM piggy bank that easily dispenses coins and cash. We need a lot of cardboard.
Sue, I found this old model of a racetrack. I wonder will that do?
Sammy, it's a layout for our ATM and I'm glad you found it in time. This is the base for our craft. This part will be the front wall with the mechanism. Isn't it great? Oh, I wish I could speed up time to see the result right now.
No, Sue. The process of making a craft is such a pleasure, too.
Yes, Sammy, you're right. By the way, guys, don't forget, safety first when working with the cutter.
Sue, what are all those slots for?
Those are for your convenience, Sammy. You stick a card into the slots and coins and cash will fall out. Now let's remove this part at the bottom so our wall gets its final look.
That's a great idea, Sue! Do you need this piece now?
Yes, Sammy, thanks. I need to cut out these slots too. Could you paint this part, please?
Sure, Sue. I'll do everything.
Great! In the meantime, let's do some more cutting. I wonder what color Sam will come up with.
You can stop wondering. Here it is!
Then we can proceed.
Let me guess. We need to glue the piece onto its place, right? But I can't help you with that. I'm too busy.
Let's use some hot glue to attach these parts. Don't rush. Try to make everything very neat. Carefully.
If you make a mistake, it's easy to fix everything. But it's better when things work out at the first try. I decided to clean out the craft box with leftovers, so I wonder if you could use this thing.
It's just what we need. Maybe you have more? We'll apply some more hot glue, like this. Be very careful with the glue gun, guys.
Sue, what do you say if we make this ATM in graffiti style? It would be so cool.
Let's discuss the decor a little later. Better check out what I did while you were talking. This is the partition for different types of cash. Guys, want to see what happens next? Then subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Woohoo! Sue, do I throw it away or do you need it? Seems like you do.
Yes, definitely. You'll go right here, buddy.
I guess you won't need these, Susie.
No, we do need them.
Oh no, I guessed it wrong.
These small pieces will fit here perfectly. You'll see what for later.
Make way, Sue. I'll do it myself. Woohoo!
While Sam is busy, I wanted to tell you that the first ATM was set up in June 1967 in London. And we're back to Sammy.
Like this? Great! Susie, I did a good job here.
Awesome, Sammy. This piece will hold the falling coins.
And did you know that there are more than 70,000 ATMs in Great Britain? That's what I call popularity.
Now we'll use this piece and add it to this fence-like part. Be careful with hot glue, guys. This way.
Sue, this looks cool. I found some ribbons in the box with leftovers, and they are so beautiful. Here they are. I'm pretty sure we can use them somehow in our craft today. Please tell me that I'm right.
Oh, Sammy, I'm sorry, but these have nothing to do with our craft. Whoosh!
Did I mess it up again? What is this? Ouch!
Okay, guys, it's time to attach the sidewalls. For this, we'll use the hot glue gun again.
This is Sam! We can't make the craft faster! Did you copy? Sue, they don't answer me! What to do?
Sammy, you're so funny. We better keep working on our craft, okay?
And this is just what we need, right?
Actually, now I'm starting to doubt your decorating skills. Are you all right?
I was just kidding. But this actually could fit in here somehow.
We better use this square part to make the bottom of our ATM. And…
Here, I found this big piece of cardboard. And if we put it slanted…
Oh, I got it. Thank you, Sammy.
Finally.
If we do as Sammy said, we will create a slide. And done.
I have to check what Susie is doing there. Looks good. Here too. I know. Add the supports too, Sue, just in case.
Good thinking, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, done.
Sue, I think it's important to test the mechanism right now before we do the next step.
Sounds reasonable. Are you ready? Check out the card I made.
Not so fast, Sue. I prepared the cash, see? Woohoo! Yeah!
The bills will go here. And this one is for the coins. Yay! It's working! So cool!
Yes, the mechanism is okay, but we still have a lot of work to do.
You sound like a true craft master. Guys, stay tuned.
Sue, I think this piece will make a perfect lid. How do you like it? Cool, huh?
Sam, you're hilarious. Did you already make everything?
Sure thing. Here it is. You can have it.
Sammy, you're an amazing helper. Let's see what these openings are for. This one is for coins, and here we'll have the door for cash. Looks good, but something is still missing.
Of course, Sue. I just finished this lid. Here.
Thanks. Actually, I think it's really important to learn how to recycle the cardboard to help the environment.
We can use leftovers in other crafts. It's so necessary to recycle, because who will take care of our planet if not us?
Let's check how our lid is working. Awesome! Now we'll glue it on the very top. Right here.
Sue, when will we start decorating? I can't wait!
Well, do you already have an idea of what we can draw on our ATM?
Why don't we draw a bag full of money?
Sounds great! And let's add lots of graffiti as you suggested earlier. First, we'll use a pencil. Here will be the word money.
Na 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 na. So, Sue, are you ready?
Sammy, you're so fast! Let's take a look at everything. Here is the inscription and a small bag with money. These dollar signs and coins were made by Sammy. Guys, we are getting to the coloring part, but first we have to flip our craft so that the paint won't spill.
Well, Sue, you're painting it already, then it's high time for me to prepare everything else. Woohoo!
We'll start with the green color. And this inscription. Wow, guys, it looks so great! Now let's get to the other side.
Sue, that was amazing! But hurry up!
Sammy, we don't have much left, so nothing to worry about.
I wonder what is Sue doing there? Whoa, you're almost done! Hold on a sec! The first decorative pieces are here! Uh-oh.
Careful, Sammy.
Phew.
Well, I really wanted to surprise you, and your decor pieces are amazing too. All the details are thought through.
Sue, have you forgotten that I'm a master decorator? I always do a great job.
This panel looks cool. Let's glue it here.
Right decision. You'll admire it later.
Guys, we have just one final touch left. And wow, check out how awesome it looks now. The letters are so bright. And these buttons are for the bills. I can't take my eyes off this bright wall. Let's take a closer look at our ATM, guys.
Let's
prepare the cash, Sammy.
I want to test our crafts.
Let's roll them. Done.
Oh, I can't wait to start.
Sammy, we just need to insert these. And our cash goes right here. Hup. Hup.
I'm ready to test our ATM.
Yup. Sammy, we did such a great job. Let's see. Sammy, this is amazing! Our ATM is working!
It's so great! I can't believe my eyes!
So guys, if you like this craft as much as we do, give us lots of thumbs ups. Bye-bye!